Ninja Boy 300 this side. Today I am showing you my new helmet which I recently bought, and this is the new helmet. Yes, you guessed this right. It's a Exor. It's a Exor Wolf series helmet, and it's a neon color. I bought this helmet because of this moon face, and moon and star, which looks like Valentino Rossi's helmet. So that's why I bought this helmet, and I already have, as you know, AGV helmet, and that helmet is very race specific. So I need one helmet for long trip or long rides or touring, so that I feel comfortable on long trips. So I bought this helmet. So it's a DOT certified helmet and EC also certified, M size. This is M size, and DOT certified certificate is already mentioned here. Exor Street Pro series, Wolf Street Pro series, Exor written is already there. There is a 3 vent there. 1 vent is here, 2 here, and these are the written. You can open and close the vent from here. This one is front. So this helmet is already comes with anti-fog. Little bit tight. Just a minute. Yeah, it's a lock. So it's already comes with anti-fog visor. As you can see that it's an anti-fog, and there is a sun visor also in it. You just pull up this and sun visor comes. So this is the sun visor. It's a good thing for sunny day, and for nights you can simply use this one. So inside this there is a double D lock here. This is a double D lock, and the cushioning of this helmet is very good. I feel very comfortable. And the double D ring makes you little bit more comfortable, or feel you more safety. So it's a M size. Chin guard is also there. Nose guard is also there. Sunglasses, there is a gap there for sunglasses. So overall the helmet quality is good. Exor is a good company, so I like the helmet, and I didn't ride with it, but I will feel comfortable in this helmet. The visibility from inside from this helmet is also good. It's a very wide visor, so it's a very good visor, and it's a good thing. And at the price range of 4,500 is very good. MRP prices of this helmet is 5,000, but I got this from 4,500. Sorry. And I also got one more thing. I will show you. Just wait. So I also got some stickers with it. I also got this sticker in this helmet. That's a very good thing. I'm a B positive, so you can just pull the sticker B positive and paste it somewhere, wherever you want. And some warning also there: in case of accident, do not remove the helmet unless you are doctor or medical assistant. One Exor helmet, and this is the reflective stickers. So if you want, you can paste it the back side of the helmet or on your bike. So that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe for my channel. That's it. Ninja Boy signing out. Thank you.